Hey guys, Ben Finley here at MarineMax in Panama City Beach. Today I am beside this Harris 210 cruiser. This is actually a pontoon boat, so kind of your old school styling with some modern touches on it. Come here towards the transom of the boat, I'll show you a few things. So your ladder here with bigger rungs, especially on the top, it makes it easy getting in and out of the boat at the sandbar. This boat is powered by a Mercury 90 horsepower motor and your ski tow bar on the back. Let's hop inside and take a look at some of the features inside. Hey guys, now that we're on the bow of the Harris 210 cruiser, just a few changes to 2024 I'd like to show you. If you come up here to the starboard side, you notice the recessed cushion here. Keep your phones, beach towels, sunscreen, as well as on each side you have USB ports to keep your device charged all day. Storage under every seat here. As you can see, the cooler comes with the boat. Every seat you see here, either forward or aft, you'll see storage under the seats. Little day table here. So if you'd like to have a few snacks, a few drinks, something, a little prep station on your boat, here it is. Coming towards the helm, you have your Clarion head unit and your Lowrance Hook 5 screen. Switching over here on the side of the screen and coming towards the back of the boat, you'll have a storage here and here, where you actually have a trash can here on the port side. Close these up. Same here as a forward with your recessed and your USB ports. Like I said again, guys, my name is Ben Finley here at MarineMax in Panama City Beach. Thank you, have a good day.